Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have Piggy access and enough currency or trade value. This matters because penguin skin drops are event-locked. Immediately join the current penguin event server or the limited-time map hosting the skin. Once in, prioritize completing the introductory objective that unlocks the penguin spawn mechanics. This triggers the spawn pool. Make sure to remain in the server after triggers activate, because leaving resets your progress and wastes time. Now you focus on the complex sequence. Solve puzzles and open doors in the precise order the event requires, because penguin skin chances depend on event completion percentage. You should actively interact with event props or the special NPC to increment the skin drop counter. These interactions change internal variables. While doing this, coordinate with teammates to avoid unnecessary deaths so you can perform repeated runs efficiently, which statistically increases. Finish by claiming the penguin skin from the event reward chest or the designated trade post once drop conditions are met. You must accept the reward before leaving. If you don't get the skin, repeat the optimized run. Each clean completion nudges probability in your favor. If the skin fails to appear or the event behaves oddly, immediately rejoin a fresh server and ensure your Piggy client is updated. This clears most spawn bugs and restores normal event logic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.